KETA M Series Imaging System Unboxing and Software Installation Guide.
Cut off the packaging straps. Open the lid. Remove the top protective foam. Remove the instruction manual and other included components. Remove the keyboard. Remove the two rear protective foams. Remove the two side protective foams. Vertically lift the outer case. Carefully place the darkroom on the bench with open the face as stated. Warning: find a partner to remove the darkroom from the packaging box. Injury may occur if attempting to lift the darkroom alone. For KETA ME, remove the camera lens cap. For KETA ML or KETA MLX2, first pull out the vertical protective foam, then remove the other protective foams. KETA M series models come with AGIC MP pre-installed. You can also install it on another computer. Insert the memory stick.
Open the KETA folder.
Double-click Setup. Click Next to continue installation. The installation will complete automatically. If an older version of the software has been installed, please uninstall it first. During installation, if prompted, click Yes to uninstall the previous version. When the message says the 2cam camera driver was removed, click Yes. If prompted with Repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2008, select Repair and Next. After installation, double-click the Magic MP shortcut. Plug in the Key Pro. Enter the serial number shown on the attached tag. Capture is available only on the machine, not on the computer. Go to Explore, open the drop-down menu, and select the image you want to edit or analyze.